Alright, so this video will be a little bit different, but it's amazing because this is a creator I found from Instagram that's also on TikTok by the name of Mia. Here's her at. I'm gonna put it under. I'll put it under the video or I'll put it on the screen. I low-key viewed it, and I can say that this shit sounds amazing. So, not only is this car sexy, but so is the driver. So let's get into it. 650 horsepower Evo. And y'all know I went over an Evo earlier this year. If you got me on Instagram or TikTok, I went over an Evo. It was one of my friends out here. Hella quick. But this should be quicker. And I don't believe really it's pushing 6 to the wheel. That would be very powerful. But it could be. But I believe maybe around 5. So let's get into it and let's see what Mia got to show us. But look at, we got the Evo nice taillights. I like the diffuser too with the single exhaust exit. I always like this body style. Is this what year is it? Like what number is this? I don't know Evos like that. But I do like this color, this gray, it's clean. And I like this year because you can see the intercooler so much easier. Like, okay. Dang. You can see how beautiful that engine bay is with the purple cover. It looked like it has some, does it have headers on it? I don't know, like some performance headers? I'm not sure. But look at right there. You can see the beautiful, those are some beautiful wheels. I don't know those wheels, but they look so familiar. But it got the big Brembos on it, of course. And this year, yeah, it doesn't have the fog lights, but it doesn't need it. Because with that, even though I would like the fog lights, but I like the rear bumper. The front bumper. So, and it's a right-hand driving side. Okay, so this is really legit JDM. Wow, that's cool. I like that, and I like the headlights they new. They not them old ones, so that's cool. All right, now let's hear it. Okay, I wasn't of course able to hear like that much, but no, that sounded pretty cool. Let me go back just a little bit. I like the takeoff of an Evo. I think I've always liked it, like how, I like it. I'd like to drive this. I really would. I need to know like how it sounds, how it feels. Cause I don't know Evo is like that. But this one is amazing. Like the body, I would definitely own this. Like she said it's already sold, so I asked her for more pools and revs, etc., but it wasn't able to happen. But I'm gonna actually review her bike, and that should go really well. She just got an exhaust on it, so hey, I'll be waiting to see that. But hey, you just watched me review one creator. I'm gonna try to do way more, and I'm gonna just start looking at the pages and then just screen record, either put it on TikTok or do a full video like on YouTube and then put it also on all my other platforms. But thank you for watching. Now I'm gonna get into a racing video.